Right then, boys, it is day 9 of turning $2,000 into $10,000. Now, as you can see, like we do every day, all I do, if you don't know, get to fucking know, I trade breakouts. All that means is there's no higher time frame, there's no indicators. I take this fucking box up here and I go support, resistance. So either of these levels, I'm not here to predict, I'm here to react. Whatever level we break, I'll take the trade. And whatever level we break, and whatever level we do end up taking, I will take a trade. Same for US 30. Now, US 30 is looking a little bit cooked, not going to lie. The support zone isn't as clean. Not the most structure on US 30 right now, but, you know, we got another fucking few minutes here. We'll see what happens. And, yeah, we'll go from there. Cool. All right, market has just opened. As you can see, we potentially may get aggressive on sales. US 30, I'm going to bring this level down to here now since we are, you know, found some sort of support. Now for NASDAQ, I am looking at NASDAQ. We found support, we're rejecting. So this is the one I'll be watching now. US 30, I'd only be going in for sales on US 30 if I'm honest with you. Right, we're getting the breaker structure now on NASDAQ. Just give it a second here, guys. Give it a second here, guys. Especially with US 30 fucking pumping up. Alright, break, pull back. Right, we're short on NASDAQ. Gonna mark out this position. This is the first position of New York session. Stop loss, setting the stop loss. Just like that. If this comes to fake us out, it is what it is. Simply is what it is. Good push. But yeah. First trade is activated. Not quite break even there. Give it a little bit more of a push and then we may go break even. One more push and I'll go break even. Alright. Right, break even it is. I am now break even on this trade. I do also need to start my take profit. As you all already know, I am now setting that in place. Can't lose on this trade now. All we can do is break even. And it's simple as that. Hopefully it just pushes through. And yeah, like last week, boys, I was getting too greedy. I was trying to trail my stop losses to 1 to 5s, 1 to fucking 6s, all this crazy shit. Rather than this week, I want to come in, set my stop loss, set my take profit, let it smack 1 to 3, walk away on my day. Now we're very close to our take profit right now. Hopefully it don't just fucking reject. That would be piss annoying. So close as well. Right, you know what? I'm not even bothered. I'm just going to let it play out, let it do its thing. I prefer the 5 minute though, I'm not going to lie. Makes me feel a lot more calmer. Watch. Alright, break even. Alright, I might get a reverse then on this though. Alright, we'll see how this 1 minute closes now. And then hopefully maybe it'll switch. If this candle closes back within the range, I'll take a reversal. But like I was saying, I think I'm going to get a fucking break even if I'm honest with you. Right, didn't close back within the range. But I do have a wick to go off of now. Alright, boom, there she is. I'm now in on this reversal. Shit, I can't bring my level up. Boom, like that. Stop loss, set that shit. Boom. And then we'll let this shit play out. Alright, boom. Break even. And again, just let it play out. If it plays out again, I'm break even on this trade. This will be my last trade of the day if this doesn't play out. If this wants to reject, then it is what it is. So be it. But I think we may hit take profit. If not, I may close this manually. Right, go on. Little bit more, a little bit more. Here's what it looks like on the 5 minute, by the way, boys. See, this is a reversal. I'll always look for this wick, right? See, it came down to almost my target 3, reversed. The 1 minute closed within the range. And yeah, now we just wait for it to hit the next support level. I'm going to get ready to close that shit. Oh shit, it just hit. Right, boom. So this week, I really, if you watched last week's video, I mean, God, this fucking shit's flying. But if you watched last week's video, at the end of the video, I said the most important thing for me coming into this week is following my system to a T. Meaning, set take profit, set stop loss, and just letting it play out. And that's what we've done. So, that's it, boys. I'm walking away now. I'm done. Right? Literally, I'm done. I don't give a fuck what this does now. I would have been at break even if I did take this buy. We could potentially watch and see how price plays. All right, boom. That would have been a break even trade anyway. So it just hit the break even level because I go break even at 1 to 1.5. So I'm glad I got into my reversal and we're good. All right, boom. Now into the results, boys. Where are we at in this challenge? Now, just for a recap, as you can see, this was last month's New York session. As you can see, we identified that the first trade was losing a lot more than the second. As overall, we only lost 3 days the entire month in the month of July, up 29R on that account. Now, this is across lives and fundeds. Also, by the end of the month, I started to overtrade by taking multiple trades. Every highlighted yellow box here is me overtrading. Now, we only did this at the end of the month rather than at the beginning. I don't know what happened here. I think I was getting too complacent, if I'm honest with you, and started to get a bit of slack. When you get on a winning streak, you get this kind of like feeling that like you could never lose. And then when you do lose, it becomes really fucking hard. Evident fucking A. Boom. As soon as I took a losing day, I was like, shit, I don't lose. I don't fucking lose because I just got a whole month basically winning every single day on London session and New York. But managed to fix myself, recoup the loss the day after and more. So I brought it back up. And now today, at the end of last week's video, I told myself, look, fuck all this trailing bullshit. I kept snapping in a stop loss at 1 to 3 and hoping that I got 1 to 4 or 1 to 5. Cool, it did work. Like, as you can see here, nearly got fucking 9R in a day, which is beautiful. But if I want to take this trading shit more seriously, I cannot go into trading sessions with the emotion that I was going into last week. Hence, as you can see, I started to overtrade, started to break my rules. And I started to do this, I believe, because of performance. Because I started posting every single day and I wanted to make the videos as good as I possibly could. I wanted to make the R as big as I could, the P&L as big as I could, and do the challenge as quick as possible. But if I really go back to when I wasn't posting as much and I was just by myself, which was more so at the beginning of the month, before the challenge, I just follow my shit every day. So I'm going to just do that. And I want to show by example that, like, look, sticking to a system, sticking to a profitable fucking system. And once you find your edge, it's literally just probabilities and numbers. By the way, boys, filming this video, I'm struggling so much, like the migraine I've got right now. The reason why I was wearing sunglasses during the trade or at the beginning of the video is not because I'm trying to flex. I look like a fucking cool dude. Honestly, man, them that are wearing sunglasses inside, grow up, you fucking dog. You just look like a fucking twat. I'm actually just doing it because I'm in so much fucking pain. But anyway, my screen just turned off. But anyway, so far on the challenge, we are up $4,000, meaning the balance is now at $6,000. Woohoo! We have enough 4K to go. So hypothetically, we've already made $4,000 in the past 9 trading days. Hypothetically, we should make the 10K mark within the next 9 days. And then, yeah, we should withdraw. Yeah, I'm sorry today I couldn't make the video as good as I'd like it to be. But honestly, boys, I will be back. Whether I'm in pain or not, my eyes are fucking killing. Like, genuinely killing. And my head is banging. But besides that, boys, love every single one of you. Lock the fuck in. Let's make this shit happen. And I'll see you all at the top. Peace.